Hiya, it's Ken from Get English Tips here. I've been asked to explain articles in English. In some languages there are many articles, male and female. And in some languages there are no articles. In English we really have two articles. We have a and an, and we have the. So let's look at each one. A and an means one, but one of many. We don't care which one, it's unspecified. For example, I have pens. You can say, can I have a pen? Which one do you want? I don't care, just one. So a we use for an unspecified noun. We don't care which one. An we use with a vowel, A-E-I-O-U. Can I have an orange pen? The plural of a or an is some. Can I have a pen is one. Can I have some pens? How many? I don't care. 2, 3, 4, 5, some. So it's unspecified. The we use for a specific noun. Can I have the pen? Can I have the pen? If we can point, we say the. The pen is one. We can say the pens for plural. Can I have the pens? This means all of them. So the for single and plural, meaning all. Whether it's one or lots, all. We can also use it this way. We can say, I saw an old lady get on the bus. We use an because there are many old ladies in the world. When we mention the noun again, the old lady, we change an to the. For example, I saw an old lady get on the bus. Second time, the old lady came and sat next to me. So a and an for the first time, the for the second time. And remember the pronunciation for the. If it's a vowel next, we say the. The old lady, the orange. If it's not a vowel, we say the. The pen, the student, the teacher. So remember, an, unspecified, first time. For the plural, we say some. The for single and plural. And it's specific. And for the second time. So I hope that's cleared it up a little bit for you. My name's Ken. Bye for now.